ruins, no? In fact, ito pong pating to on your right, kita nyo to, bumagsak. This was leveled by Typhoon Banson, locally known as Typhoon Bashang. Last year lang po yan, bumagsak. So, hindi na po talaga kami nagpapaakyat dyan dahil po, baka anytime matsyempuhan kayo, mababa kayo dyan, baka mamaya kung anong mangyari sa inyo. So, safety lang po natin. So, La Foundation is starting the preservation process of the ruins of Corridor. Ito pong foundation na to, Corridor Foundation Incorporated, is in charge of maintaining and developing the whole island of Corridor. Ang Sun Cruises po is a private company that's the sole provider of tours here in Corridor. Makinig kayo kasi mamaya may question and answer portion tayo sa phone and may premyo kayo. Ano, meron kayong gift certificate, cruise, European cruise. May parapol pa, house and lot. Next on your right, we have the second half of the Middleside Barracks. Here on this half was where the 91st Coast Reserve Philippine Scouts and Enlisted Men stayed. So Filipino soldiers naman po dito on the second part. No? Again, this half would hold as much as 2,000 soldiers po. You know, for the defenses of Corridor from the Japanese in 1941 and 1942, two groups po were responsible. U.S. Marines and the Philippine Scouts. Yung Philippine Scouts po were trained under the USAFE, United States Army Forces in the Far East, which was commanded by my great-grandfather, Charles Douglas MacArthur. Do I look like him? I look like Jackie Chan, right? Yan. Kung overnighters po kayo, this is where you will be accommodated for your overnight stay. So, dyan kayo pwede mag-sleep over. Joke lang. Okay, from here on the map, from the middle side, barracks, we're now moving towards this part here. So, again, going back to the Spanish regime, 333 years of Spanish rule in the Philippines, and of course, like all freedom-loving peoples of the world, we Filipinos have wanted to regain our independence from Spain. So, 1898 po, matindi na po ang labanan ng mga Pilipino at Filipinos against the Spaniards. No? And it was also during this year when there was this event that happened in Havana Harbor in Cuba. This was the blasting of the U.S. battleship Maine. Ang Cuba po noon was a colony of Spain. And Americans then had interest in the sugar industry of Cuba, blamed Spain for the blasting of this battleship Maine, and then ordered Spain to vacate Cuba. Pero hindi po umalis ang Spain sa Cuba. Instead of vacating Cuba, it declared war against the Americans on April 24, 1898. This was the start of the Spanish-American War, which was also fought here in the Philippines. Dumating po yung mga Amerikano sa Manila Bay at nilabanan po yung mga Spanyol, Spanish Armada po. This battle of Manila Bay started early morning on May 1st, 1898 and ended that very same day. Maiksi na po itong battle na to kung mapapansin nyo. Because by then, easy victory lang po sa mga Amerikano dahil po by then, the Americans were already experts in gunnery and were using a steel-hulled ship. So from that time on, inubusan na po ng pananakot ng Amerikano ang Pilipinas. But after the Battle of Manila Bay, June 12, 1898, we Filipinos proclaimed our independence from Spain in Cavite, Cavite. Sino presidente natin noon? Very good. Si John Emilio Aguinaldo. But the Americans ignored this proclamation na ikinagalit po ng mga Filipinos, no? Now, it is worthy to note that during this Spanish-American War fought here in the Philippines, we Filipinos had fought alongside with the Americans, thinking that by doing so, we would easily get our independence from Spain. But this didn't happen. Dahil nag-enjoy siguro yung mga Amerikano sa stay nila dito, so prinalong nila ang kanilang bakasyon for 44 years. So as